I'm about to make a bold statement. As a small business owner, most social media platforms are a complete waste of your time. Unless you're throwing dollars behind your content on Facebook or LinkedIn or Twitter or Instagram, you're not really going to generate leads from those social media platforms. The only platform that I've ever gotten a lead for, my small business, Plum Productions, is this one right here. YouTube is the best place for lead generation for businesses like yours and mine. In this video, I'm going to explain why and how to do it right, including my best tip, which is at the end of this video, so make sure you stick around for that. Now, why is YouTube such a great lead generator? The answer is that YouTube, unlike other social media platforms, is a search engine. So what that means is that content you post today will generate leads for years to come. When you post something on Facebook, let's say, eventually it gets pushed down the newsfeed and nobody ever sees it again. But because YouTube is a search engine, people are searching for the content that you're creating and they will find you in perpetuity. Now that I've got you convinced that YouTube is the place to be to generate leads for your business, I have some tips to make it work for you. So to really work YouTube, you want to make sure you're providing the right type of content, right? So one great piece of content you could make is to teach people how to do something. Trust me, no one is searching for marketing or branding videos on YouTube. They usually want to learn something. So this is a great place for you to create a video that answers a question people might be asking on YouTube. You'll show right up in those search results. Or you could do a product review. A lot of times people see products advertised to them and they're curious about whether or not it's a good product, and they look on YouTube for product reviews. If you're there reviewing that product, they feel like they can trust you. You're giving your honest opinion. Just make sure that you're reviewing a product that's related to your business, because you want those viewers to be your potential customers, not just like random people that have no interest in hiring you. Next up, you want to create multiple videos on a variety of related topics. This makes you the go-to expert in that entire category. So people may not trust you after watching one video, but if they've sampled a bunch of your videos, you're going to get their buy-in that you are the go-to expert in whatever that is. And when it comes time to hire a professional, you're the one they're going to call. Next, you want to make sure you optimize those videos so they can be found in YouTube search results. I use a product called TubeBuddy that really helps me predict which videos are going to be the most searchable and help me generate the most leads. I will link to another video in the description box where I get more in depth about TubeBuddy. Now, before I go on to my next tip, I just want to remind you that if you're enjoying this and you feel like you're learning something, do me a favor, give me that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you never miss a future upload. My next tip for you is to have some sort of lead magnet ready so you can collect those emails so you can contact those people again. So in your YouTube video, you can point people to your website where maybe you offer a white paper download or something else that gets them to give you their personal information so they become a lead for you. My last and best tip for you is to offer products that you can fulfill globally. So as an owner of a video production company, you would think that my customer base would only be in my local geographical area. But I've expanded my services to sell products online that people around the world can buy. I also offer editing services to people around the globe. We've done editing for people in South Africa and the Netherlands. So my customer base has significantly expanded since I got on YouTube. Remember, it's not about how many subscribers you have or even how many views. It's about dollars you're bringing in with your content. I hope you feel excited to start a YouTube channel for your business after watching this video. Let me know if you plan on doing it or what your channel is in the comments. You guys, thank you so much for watching. I will see you again.